Hey everyone and YouTube, let me introduce you the Delta Executor mobile, the king of mobile executors. Faster load times, stronger script support, cleaner UI and fewer crashes than anything else out there. From utilities to full game automation, Delta handles it all with power and stability. If you want the best executor for mobile, you are looking at right now. So to get the Delta Executor on your iOS or Android device, go to your browser and go to the address bar on your browser and type this the executor and make sure you are spelling it right so that you can dive into the right place. And here's the interface of this site. Okay, let me tap on I use download button over here and confirm it. So guys, as you can see here, the file has been started generating. Okay. And that's how you can get actually the Delta Executor, and it came here verification request setup complete. Okay, that's very easy. Tap on verify now button and it will open up a new page, and that's the page where you need to complete a very easy task. And here it is: get the Delta Executor mobile by completing 2 tasks from the list below. Okay, that's how. And here is the tutorial video has been given over here. Watch it and you will get to know how you can do that. Let me tell you. Okay, here's the task list and the listed apps. What you need to do is very simple. Okay, install any 2 apps from this page and sign up for both the apps and run it for next to max 30 seconds. You don't have to make any purchases or anything, any activity needed. Just stay there for 30 seconds and don't get your phone locked. Okay, that's how you can complete the verification part. Okay, let me give you the preview of the Delta Executor I have just gotten over here. And here you see, let me run it the blocks through it again. This version of the Delta Executor comes without any key and no external key required over here. Okay, let me open up the blocks fruit and join any team. Okay, as you can see here, that's the menu features of the Delta Executor. Let me tap on home button and here the preloaded scripts, hub and keyboard. And that's the version of the Delta Executor, which is the latest one. And here you can search for the various kind of scripts. Let me search for the blocks fruit scripts. Okay, let me type the blocks and see what I can get. Okay, and here there is a lot of scripts as you can see over here. Okay, so guys, that's all comes without key. Tap here and execute the selected script. Any script all comes without any key, and that's how you can get the free version of the Delta Executor. So guys, enjoy the Delta Executor and don't forget to share among your friends. Thanks.